Hi, in this video I've decided, instead of jumping to the next tool here, the airbrush tool, to actually go here to this foreground and background color and explain all that. Also the color selection dialog that comes out once we click on either one of these. And the reason I'm doing that is because we already covered our main paint tool, the brush tool, and a lot of the options here are shared between these tools, and we need to know how to take advantage of this foreground and background color, and how to assign and select and assign colors to these. So when I finish that, we'll go back to the rest of the paint tools. Now the first thing here is this black here indicates our foreground color, and this white indicates our background color. I can click on one of these. For example, let's click on the background color. I get this color selection dialog. Let's select yellow here, and you see how that color changes. Now if I click cancel, I will go back to the old color, which is white. If I click OK, I will assign this yellow here. Now I can use this icon here to quickly return them to their default state. Now the next more interesting option here is this arrows that swap these colors. Now let's see examples of what we can do with this option. Let's select our brush tool, turn on our quick mask mode. Also you can use the keyboard shortcut Shift Q to do that, and let's start painting here. You see nothing happens. To start painting, I need to click on this arrow here and swap these colors. You see now I'm painting. If I turn this quick mask mode off, you see I made a selection. Let's turn it on again. If I swap it and start painting, right now I am subtracting from that selection or deselecting these pixels. So this is one example of how you can use this option here. Now here I took this image of the sky. This is the original image, and then I created a new layer and I made some color changes. And let's say I want to combine these two images together, and to do that I will use a layer mask. Right click, add a layer mask, white full opacity. Now we discuss these layer masks in detail in the future. For now, this is an example of how we can use this option here. I will click on the layer mask, select my brush tool and start painting, and you see how I am making the layer above invisible and the layer below visible. So painting with this black gives you that. If I switch them around, you see how I'm doing the opposite. So this is another way you can use this swap mode option here. For example, if we go back to this blend tool and let's use that. You see how I combined the two images together. Here where it's black, you see the image below, and here where it's white, you see the image above. So you can use these layer masks and this swapping option here. Let's swap them again and undo this change. Let's try again that. You see right now this part of the image is visible and this part goes to the layer below. So this is how one of the ways you can use this option and take advantage of this layer mask mode in GIMP. So that's it for this video. In the next video we'll continue with this color selection dialog and the many ways here that we can select and assign colors. Bye for now.